So we've put in this, this. So to get this hole here, we're going to come over 20 and up 15. We're going to measure over 20 and then up 15, and that's going to give us that hole there. Then we're going to mark in this part here. In order to do that there, we're going to come in 24 and up 10. So in 24 and then up 10. There's the center for that curve there. Next one then is in 13. And that there's there. Got a compass, it's diameter 10. So again, the same radius 5 that we've used before. Draw that circle. And then the other one is radius 4.5, radius 2. You can leave that one for now and show you how to take that one out in a minute. And finally, then we have this hole up here. These holes are the 15, sorry. So this one here, we just come in here, 15, sorry, that's 20, and 15. So we're going to draw this one here now straight up. And down again, 15 from the top. And that's diameter 4, so that's that one done. That's that one done. That's that one there done. And we're going to have to we actually go up here too, down here too. And across, and across. That's going to give us that little curve there. And we have this final little part here, all right, which is in line with this here. So that's going to come straight down and get us right there. So that's that point there, and it's down 24, down 24, and it's straight in line with the part here. So there it is there. And then it's over 4. There it is there. So this is 3.5. We're just going to put it in an eye. We'll show you then later how to actually remove that properly. Okay, just notice a tiny little mistake in this here actually. So this one here is meant to be over 18 plus 22. So 18 plus 22 is 40. So this here actually should be over here at 40. That's that circle. That there is that circle there. And then from that there, then we come over 20. And then up 15. And that's for that. That there. That circle there. This one here. Same at the top here. So it's over 40. And then over 20. And then down here, 15. The next to that one there's not right. That one there's not right. These two here are the correct ones. That's pretty much the whole thing marked out. What I'm going to do now, we're around this heavy with the pen, just to make sure. Oh, actually, there's a little fold line in this as well that we need to do. I'll do that in a second. There's just no wild harm. go around this now with the black paint. Yeah, put that. Now, this here is actually going to line up here because these are actually fold lines going to go across here and here. Now I'm going to continue on through the piece like this. There's also a little fold line here and here. We get the half of this, which was 22. And then go up 17 and down 17. There we go. 34. It's going to give us the two fold lines. All this section here is going to be removed. Little crosshairs here. Actually, these are meant to be intact. And this one here, intact. Once you've marked all that out, the next step then, get your pair of scissors and you're simply going to cut this out. Take your time. Now, there's just two bits that are a little bit tricky, and you can't just cut them out. What I might do is use a scalpel like this. Now, if you're going to use a scalpel, make sure, in this case, I've got this cardboard underneath, because you don't want to be cutting through the table or whatever's underneath it. These bits here can be a bit tricky. Done exactly right. In this internal part. Now, there's your piece now. All made exactly like it would be if you were actually making it in metal. And don't worry, these holes here, don't worry about these. These are for the motor's going to go, because it's a cardboard cutout, we're not going to have a motor in it. This is also for the motor. Now, these are important, and I'm going to show you when we actually get all the parts made, what we're going to do with them. Now, these are our bend lines, so make a straight edge. Keep doing this like that. And that one. And these two internal ones then. These are actually bent straight. And this is going to be exactly like it's going to be in the actual piece when we go to make it too. It goes in there. And it goes in there. This now is what your piece should look like when you've made it out in cardboard. Now, what you could do, if you wanted to, put this side out, if you want to disguise the Rice Crispy part of it. But that's all the parts done. And when we go to put it together, this will hold together better than we have all the other parts.